Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a sign-up form in Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to grow your email list and connect with your audience directly through your website or social media. Let's jump right in. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account by clicking the Login button and entering your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of Mailchimp's features. Now look to the left-hand menu and select Audience. This is where you'll manage all your subscriber lists and forms. Next, click on the Audience Dashboard drop-down menu, then select Manage Audience. A drop-down menu will appear again, and from here you'll want to select Sign Up Forms. This is the section where all your form creation and management happens. On the top right corner of your screen, click Create New Form. This opens up the form creation wizard where you'll have several options to choose from. You'll see different types of sign-up forms available, such as embedded forms, pop-up forms, or landing pages. Each type serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Embedded forms work great when you want the form directly on your website, while pop-up forms can capture attention when visitors are about to leave your page. After selecting your form type, add your form's name and then click Continue to Builder. You'll be presented with a selection of templates to get you started. Pick one that aligns with your vision, then use the form builder to customize it by adding or removing fields. Common fields include email address and first name, but you can add more depending on what information you need from your subscribers. Next, take some time to design the form to match your branding. Adjust colors, fonts, and styles so the form feels cohesive with your overall brand identity. This step ensures that your form doesn't look out of place when someone encounters it. Now configure your form settings. This includes marking which fields are required, setting up confirmation messages that subscribers will see after signing up, and enabling subscriber notifications if needed. These settings help you control the user experience and ensure you're collecting the right information. Before you publish anything, preview your form to make sure it looks and works exactly as expected. This is your chance to catch any errors or design issues before your audience sees it. If you're using an embedded or pop-up form, copy the generated code or link that Mailchimp provides. Finally, add the form code to your website or share the form link wherever you want to start collecting signups. And that's it. You've successfully created a sign-up form that will help you build and grow your email list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.